run. This is about to get real. Welcome to Why Would I? And that's the ticket counter. So हम अभी टिकट लेना है खाली ये डायनासोर के लिए.
248 का आपको यहाँ से एंट्री टिकट लेना है.
हाँ ठीक है वो करेंगे. Thank you. That's 496 for 2 people for the entry. We are at Dinosaur Park. Let me call it Jurassic Park also. Just see what's right ahead of me. That's the entrance. They have built it really close to the real Jurassic Park theme. Nice red bus. Reminded me of Ramoji Film City. I thought it was running, but it doesn't seem like a running one. Oh my god, a dinosaur! I don't know why such a soothing music for this dinosaur. The music makes me feel like I have come for a candlelight dinner.
Let me bring some new effects and music into the video and let's see how it goes.
Uncle is poking the nose and checking if he is having cold. Oh, even the eyes are blinking. That's nice. Moving inside, there is a mixture of nature and a little bit of dinosaurs inside. Oh. Hey baby. Do not feed animals. The maintenance is quite poor. Opened in 2015, the park when I am visiting in 2019 already has got many things broken. I don't know down the line how they are going to maintain it. They claim to have 36 dinosaurs of actual size, and I am not sure how many of them are still in a standing condition. Many of its tails are broken and skins are torn. But yes, they have put a lot of efforts to bring up these things. Wishing well. There is some history. If somebody is really interested, they might go through this. I'm not gonna do that. A man is dead! A man is dead! Oh, there are some eggs as well. I think he was trying to steal it and some dinosaur has came and killed him.
This is a play area, but unfortunately it is under renovation again, and that's what he told me.
ये जो डायनासोर है सर सब एक्चुअल साइज के मतलब है डायनासोर. ये दोनों भी डायनासोर वेजिटेरियन है, ब्रेचियोसॉरस. मूवमेंट वगैरह भी करते हैं. आपको यहाँ पे फोटो के लेना तो ले सकते हैं. फिर इधर जाना है, उधर सामने चार्जेबल एक्टिविटी 90 सिनेमा, मिरर में फिश पार्क. आपको कुछ करना है तो वहाँ पे टिकट काउंटर है, वहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. फिर वहाँ पे बच्चे के लिए भी एक्टिविटी है 2 फ्री में, ड्रेसिंग, कलरिंग का.
Thank you. Happy Diwali too. So it's the full-size dinosaur, and he's a vegetarian, and he's moving as well. There he is gonna have some trees. Seems he's not hungry. He is just smelling and moving around. He's not having anything. Kids might enjoy this area. This non-vegetarian one is also quite huge. What I really liked about him is the tail movement, which looks very close to the real ones. By the way, is he suffering from chicken pox? Get well soon, Dino. If it is not so sunny, it is a very nice place to walk around. If not, the temperature will definitely make you sweat. They have a nice souvenir and gift shop with lots of dinosaurs. The price ranges from 600 to 2500. Really colorful. So before going to the final showstopper, I'll show you just 2-3 more dinosaurs which we found over here. Overall, I would like to say that it's not a very nice place if you're not visiting with your kids. It's not recommended for the adults.
So do keep in mind that the road to this place is very badly maintained. We had a very tough time driving it up here, as you can see. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do share it with your family and friends, and do let me know how's the editing in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and here comes the showstopper.
He has got too many damages, but still looking nice. Poor vision, bechara. Look at them.
Run.